I'm Dr. Sathya, working as an assistant professor in Department of Chemistry, SNS College of Technology. So today, students will present about the business model canvas on BMW. So the BMW is a leading global automobile company. It's known, it's for luxurious cars, innovation, and strong brand value. The team explained how BMW design, manufactures, and markets premium vehicles and while focusing on performance. So they can highlighted BMW commitment to the sustainability, electrical mobility, and digital service as part its modern business strategy. So the business model canvas helped students to understand BMW's key partners, activities, and value proportions and customer segments. So, through this activity, students gained a practical knowledge of how world-class automobile company operates using BMW frameworks. Let's the students' thoughts.
Customer segment and value proportion. Customer segments luxury car buyers seeking premium experiences, perform enthusiastic value, driving dynamics, business professional requiring prestige vehicles, eco-conscious customers embracing electric mobility, value proportion, premium quality craftsmanship and luxury interiors, exceptional performance and driving experiences, advanced technology and continuous innovation, strong brand image and representing success.
Channels and customer relationship. Authorized dealership, premium retail location providing test drives and expert consultation, online platform, digital showroom and configurator for seamless vehicle selection, mobile apps, connected service for remote vehicles management and updates, personalized service, tailored experience matching the individual preference and requirements, after sales support, comprehensive maintenance and repair service throughout the ownership, loyalty programs, exclusive benefits rewarding long-term brand commitment.
Key activities and key partnerships, car design and engineering, innovative vehicle development combining aesthetics with performance, marketing and branding, global campaigns reinforcing premium brand positioning, manufacturing, precision production using advanced robotics and quality control, innovation, electric vehicles and autonomous driving technology development.